Kindness and soft nature is not a sign of weakness. Andy McDowell once said, "Kindness is the greatest beauty that you can ever have." Why the world is growing unkind has a major reason, which is ego. What is ego? The ego is self-generated identity made by ourselves because of others' opinions and judgments about who we are and what we are. It includes our personality, our qualities, our likes and dislikes. Ego keeps us locked in our mindsets in endless fake perceptions about ourselves and separates us from the present moment and real life situations. Kindness is a simple virtue every single human being on this planet should have. It has nothing to do with your possessions, the work you do, your social status and recognition, knowledge and education, physical appearance, etc. We must recognize that love and kindness is our natural state. Everyone wants to connect and feel joy. If your single small act of kindness can bring a smile on somebody's face or can bring some change in somebody's life, believe me, you are the luckiest person on this planet. If your acts are full of kindness and compassion towards others, you will attract more to be happy about. The real happiness lies more in helping others to live their dreams rather than being self-centered and being busy in completing your own dreams. Whatever you focus on, you will see more of it. If you are kind, the entire world will be kind towards you. The world cannot be won by wars or invading people. It can be won easily by spreading love, kindness, and compassion.